Now, obviously, this isn't a mechanical keyboard, so it's not the clickiest of keyboards. It's not too silent either. Let's just do a quick, So all the keys are pretty silent except for the bottom row. The larger keys are the loudest. The space bar is kind of latent, whereas you press it and it kind of bounces up and down. Now let's just do oh, geez, I knocked my tripod over. Now let's just do a quick thing with a... So it is not very loud. So it's if you don't like clicky keyboards, then it's the keyboard for you. And one thing I did notice though is since it was made such a long time ago, the key presses and at first you won't notice it, but eventually after using it for long periods of time, you will kind of notice that you'll press a button and it takes it just takes slightly longer than it should to actually register on the computer. And that's why it's not really meant for gaming. But if you're just playing like basic games, if you're not competitive, then it is fine. I can recommend it if you want to game with it. It's just not meant for like competitive games or anything like that. So, if I was to rate this keyboard, I would give it a 7 out of 10. And it's a 7 out of 10 because the split is kind of bad, but at the same time it's really good because say you're playing a game that has specific keys in order to play it, and say you have one key right here and another key right there, that can be sort of a problem if you are actually like gaming on this keyboard. But yeah, that's basically the only reason why it has a low rating. But also the keys the backspace is so far away from over here. Like if you're typing an essay and you're not thinking about it, you might you have to reach with your pinky to hit the backspace button. If you're just typing, backspace is kind of far away. You gotta reach for it. And yeah, that's about it for the review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.